Hey YouTube, we've been very lucky to live with my parents here and slowly moving things to the new house. There's still plenty of stuff we need to move, but today feels very official because we are moving the bed. We will start sleeping at the new house because we have the washer and dryer, shower curtains, still need to buy a fridge, but today feels like our official moving day. Let's pack it up. Got everything to fit into the Outback. We went with a very customizable latex mattress. They come in extra soft, medium, firm, extra firm. I could do a whole video on mattress buying. The short version is to go with a local warehouse, buy directly from manufacturer. We went with one that does a showroom. You can try out the different layers and pick which one you want. This is what we went with. We moved the bed, just need to move my computer and monitor, some clothes, and the most important thing is toothbrush, and gotta bring the floss. Got my computer set up. We have a kitty cat there. My wife's monitor and computer has been here for a few months because she comes here to work remotely. Now she doesn't need to drive back to my parents every night. We got matching monitors, tables, and chairs. Still no furniture for our bed yet. I am planning on making that. Got another kitty cat. 30th video done.